Okay, guys, I wanted to record a quick video. It is Tuesday, June 21st. The Brexit vote is on Thursday. According to what I've read, we should have answers Friday morning. Thursday and Friday, they're either going to be really dead or just really volatile. They don't expect to take any exit polls beforehand, so that's actually a better thing, which makes me think maybe it'll be slightly boring Thursday until the news actually comes out. About, I think, 7 a.m. U.S. time. So the futures market's going to be rocking and rolling leading into that. And it's going to, I really have no idea how to plan for this. I mean, other than just being out of the market, which is my plan. You can expect unemployment to be, X amount, X percentage, non-farm payroll to be X percentage of volatility. You can expect Fed announcements to leave you with certain things, but this is a big deal. England's a big economy. This isn't Portugal. This isn't Spain. This isn't Italy. This is a fairly large country and a big economy. So I'm going to start out. I'm going to try and get this done in 5 minutes. But I also want to start with gold because that's going to tell us a story. This is a weekly chart of gold. Not really much to highlight here. There might be something in there I can look to trade off of. Let's see. There's really no fresh levels on this weekly chart. And let's look right here. Up above, we got some good stuff we can trade off of. I like this one. I don't love it. And then I gotta love this one right here. These are little levels we can go short from. These are big levels. It's a weekly chart, excuse me. But this is where expecting some short action if price gets up there. You'll notice it's been kind of range bound this last. There you go. See how it's staying in this range here? The last 2 months, I guess. Fill color. Let's change it to blue. So if this breaks out, there's really nothing to stop it on this weekly chart. That's been tested. This is the first fresh level at 1476. Let me go over to a daily and see if I see anything. Okay. So here's current price at 1271. Let's go down here. All right. Really nice looking level there, but it's kind of chunky on this is a daily chart. Let me go up and see if I find anything to short from to see if this comports with that weekly analysis. This is fresh. Okay, hang on. Put something together here. I can move that up. I don't love these kind of levels, but just bear with me. All right, so that level's fresh. And if you don't really know how we trade, we're looking for strong areas of consolidation where we saw a big move. We obviously have a bunch of qualifiers. Just bear with me. I'm trying to just do some market analysis for you to see where I expect price to go to. Okay, so that level's fresh. The first one fresh on the daily is up at 1347. We're at 1271 now. I would say more than likely we'll get here, and we can look to exit someplace between here and there. Let's just check on that level. Yeah, okay. It's the one that broke through on the weekly. All right, I'm going to get down to a 240, maybe get to a 60, and then just move on to a couple other things. Let's see. All right, here's a level from today. It's in there. It's not exactly screaming out of it like it should be. Let's see. Looks like it was touched right there, and that's taken out some of the juice. So we may not get that bullish move out of here that we're looking for. We're definitely looking for this to shoot up out of here, and it's not happening. So no trade here for me. Let's see, someplace in here might be able to warrant something. Let me drop the time frame down to 120. Could make this work in here. Some other smaller levels. I don't want to... Let's focus on that one. There's some middle range ones right there. And right there. Okay. Now, make sure you're not in any of these for Thursday. It's going to be nuts. It's going to impact gold. It's going to impact the market. It's going to impact a lot of things, this Brexit vote. So, this level I like a lot. Tomorrow, you want to trade? Great. Thursday, there's no way to predict how it's gonna react. If you're in anything with leverage like forex or futures, your broker will cut you off. So just be really, really careful. This is a nice trade. What time was this created? 0800. All right, I'll live with that. All right, I'm going to quickly look at Apple and then the pound and euro. All right, so there you go. All right. Oh, I said I would look at Apple. Let's look at Apple first, then we'll go on to... All right, this weekly chart is telling me a whole lot of nothing. All right, so we had this level that worked on the August crash. Boom. Really held up. Wow. I mean, notice that weaker move we got out of there, so we don't expect that to hold. Could see some bullish reaction off of this guy right here. All right. Yeah, not too far away. It's only 11 bucks away. This swing already happened. So, yeah, definitely, this could be what it's shaping up for the end of the week to look like, where Apple drops into this 84 level. We'll see. We'll see. Like I said, I don't plan on doing a whole lot after tomorrow. This level here on Apple, I already knew about it. You'll see if I blow this up a little bit, you'll see it just missed. Yeah, right there. See how it just missed that guy? Yeah, let me tighten this up a little. All right. Just waiting for entry there. Go over this. Some old trades on here. Sorry, let me take some of this stuff off. Okay. Yeah, so this level's all beat up here. Short level. No. No, not a whole lot. I mean, got this gap here, so we don't got a whole lot to stop Apple if it does want to get up here. You could say there's something in there, but yeah. Now, I mean, we got this little level in here too. It's something, but I don't plan on taking it. This was a really nice trade. Some really nice trades in Apple the last couple of weeks, especially for option setups. But just to give you a big picture of what it's looking for. There's plenty of gaps on the downside, so this thing could come down. We'll kind of wait and see attitude here. All right, let me go over to the pound, and then we'll wrap up. I just wanted to give you guys some info before the vote happened. Okay. Let's see. All right. So pretty bullish today. This week so far, Monday and Tuesday on the pound. Got a little bit of a level here. I mean, this is a weekly chart. I would normally put a lot of stock in this working, but who the hell knows with Wednesday, with the announcement. I mean, this is a big deal, like I keep saying. I'm going to err on the side of caution. Could slice right through that little level. It's not going to wick touch and just come straight down on this. But I will look at a hero if that does work. So, but I'm not anticipating that. And I'll look at the euro too, actually, while we're here. Yeah, wow. Really nice moves up there. Let's see. Okay, so that worked. That wicked in. Yeah, this should still keep going. This is really interesting. Nothing's really... no fresh supply levels up ahead. on this daily chart. Now this is just the daily. I could go to the 240 and see what's going on, but interesting. No real fresh supply up ahead on this daily chart of the pound. Let's see. So this level hit today. It's a real nice area to get in. Get the hell out. 2 hours. All right. So we got this gap here from the other day I was watching, but no real fresh supply up ahead. Let me go to a 240. Meaning nothing above to really slow this down. Kind of interesting. I know there's news coming out. I don't really want to be in the market, so I'm going to say proceed with caution. Make sure you're out of the market Thursday and into Friday. Yeah, I mean, there's something in this 4-hour one. I don't particularly like this level. I could tell you a lot of things about it that I don't like, but I'm not going to get into too much detail here. It's a little bit of a move down, but if we get I don't know, what the hell? Didn't really expect this. Yeah, I mean, there's some supply over here on this 240, okay? I'll say that. But on the daily and weekly, there's not really much here. Wonder if that's indicative of anything. I guess I'll do a follow-up video and we'll see. All right, let me jump over to the euro and move on. All right, I'm not going to do too much on the 60. Let's go in here. We want to do high time frame analysis to get a gauge on what's going on here. That gap there. Okay, so this doesn't look unlike the pound. I mean, a little less bullish. There's that little gap in there. Some supply there. Not a big fan of that level. All right, let's keep going. Come down from there. Getting something similar where I don't really see, there's not a whole lot of fresh supply on this charts, on this daily, to slow down the euro if it gets its footing. I'm not a big fan of the structure of this level in here. All right, folks, let's see. Just move down there. A lot of gaps. Yeah, I have no idea if this is telling us anything. It's just no fresh, clear supply. Alright, so it's not fresh either. You know, I don't want to force it, but I bet I can make this look like something there. 20. Alright, that becomes a little bit nicer of a level here. Something we can short from. Notice the little move down. Notice that consolidation, and boom. Far are we? Alright, so we're not that far from this. Do I want that to hold up during the Thursday and Friday announcement? No. I mean, I do. Would I like it to hold up? Great, but I don't want to be in a trade during it. I mean, we just don't know what's going to happen. So I said I was going to end on the euro. But look at that S&P real quick. All right. Just a nice trade the other day. So I got to go back, add more data and see if that's a fresh level. But that's got some supply. 16. Just see what that looks like. That guy. Meh. I like it a lot less. All right. I don't see much on the ES I want to be excited about. I could get a little bit more technical. But basically, stay out in the market Thursday into Friday. They expect the vote to have results Friday morning, about 7 a.m. It's going to lead to all kinds of volatility. They're not doing exit polls, like I said, just because, I mean, I guess they're going to leak, and who knows? That's not my job to analyze that. My job is to analyze charts and manage risk. So my real point of view here is to be out of the market. I looked at gold. I looked at gold, Apple, the pound, the euro, and the S&P. And for gold, I used the continuous contract of the gold futures. It's going to be an interesting week. Good luck, everybody. Stay safe trading. Like I said, I really prefer everyone just be out of the market and anything that has any risk on it. Really Thursday and especially into Friday morning, overnight, Thursday night. So anyway, stay safe. Good luck.